Hey everybody, I think the crowd's panic struck or something like that. It's crazy. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Probably not as wonderful as myself and the MOJO Day Trading team and the room, but we'll get underway and we'll show you what's happening today. Another record day of money-making ability happening in the MOJO room. I'm the MOJO Terminator, baby. Show you what we got going on in the MOJO room, live on YouTube. MOJO University tonight. MOJO's playing the Dosh Trader Pro in the MOJO room right now. Check it out. Got the screen share and the overlay for the MOJO. I'm one of the 5% that's checking out the... They picked me. They picked me, man. They picked me. Nice. For the MOJO to check out the domination for the Discord and give them some feedback on, oh, we checked it out. Got like nobody left in the room now. Only 66 online. Had in and out over 100 this morning. But we're still here because we just made a whole bunch of money again. Guys, while I'm going back, if you can show me a new tally of money that you've made today, that would be fantastic. And I'll give you an update from me at the end, too. I started with nothing today. You know, kids are back in school, so I have to wake up early. Earlier than I'd like. But then I can go back to sleep when they leave. Still gives me like an hour and a half before the market opens. So I'll show you all of the magnificence we've done today by 30 minutes. You saw it earlier. Watch my video earlier and you'll see exactly how we made the cash. Right here, let's see what we got going on. Did a huge V-band spiker. So we got some money made in the room. We had Frey with 380, Viv with 813, Jordy with 300. Main Pro Trader 535, Trader McClincy 505, Mark 765, and we have the new ones coming in above my head. Mar 1573. So you went from McClincy, Joe, Gerardo. Mar went from 612 to 1573. You doubled it. Nice. Sud 670. Blair is at 1018. Blair before was very small. Tiger 560, Junior 491, Brian 478, Gopi with 250 up above me, another 100 for metal, Allen 2,379, 200, 480, Blair went from 300 to over 1,000, Blair, MQ, in MOJO U. See you tonight. Gerardo, another 860 on that run back. Nice job, Gerardo. Ramey made 2,664 yesterday. You would have made triple that today, Ramey. Triple that. Oh, I may have one of those calls. Hold on. Hello? 30 minutes, crazy, I know. Hello? Hello? They hung up. And then right here I have, this is one of my things when I was playing poker. My call, confirm, and crush back from my poker sites. And then we made some more money. Right here was like a combination the other day from dry ships and the other LABD making a big move for us at 706. We have LABD, still 712. And then we have right here, still moving crazy on the day, Matt Dillon, yeah, he's a cool guy. And then we did a little screen share. Carl made 800, nice, he's brand new. Some good testimonials right there. And these are the people that are involved in the new firm right here. 50-to-1 leverage. Guys, you want to get some leverage on UVXY and LABD in these stocks? Come to MOJO. I'll get you become a real trader with the MOJO team. Real deal. Yep. So good to be here. It's what I thought when I was listening to the webinar. See that? I've listened to the other day trading gurus speak of various strategies, but what intrigued me was Mike spoke of a trading system and his win rate. Being cautious, I signed up for a 1-month access to the trading room. I watched, astonished, as the stock picks produced astronomical returns in the first 15 minutes of trading. We have that. I have a webinar on Sunday, guys. Done some great trading here. Awesomeness. So now we're going to move in, and I want to thank, she's astonished at the trading. At this point, I decided to take the class and find out the amazing system that created such great returns. I'm so grateful Mike shared his prosperous system of financial freedom. Thank you. Pro trading, Darlene. And what else we have here? We have $33 for the roads. Gotta run. Yep. These are all the guys that are involved with the prop. Boom. Right here, check it out. Mojo has talked to several prop firms to see where the best service, support, platform, and cheapest commissions are. I'm pleased to introduce you to blank. The deal for the Mojo team has taken considerable time and energy. In the current environment, the average trader with less than $25,000 is restricted due to the PDT rule, folks. UV's rocking, 39. New high on UV right now. Like a rocket ship. Cheer on. It's just like a cheer on right now. Going right through 39. I have it at 31.80. I'm up 8 points on this stock. So we bought it this morning. Yeah, we bought that this morning. Did really nice on UVXY. So right here, a lot of people are, due to the PDT rule with less than 25,000, you're really restricted. The only alternatives are firms offshore that are shady with very high fees. The account minimums are low, and there are no requirements to open an account. It's a recipe for disaster, and it makes it virtually impossible for traders to win. In fact, 9 out of 10 traders lose in these firms because there's no support and training, and the firms trade against you in a conflict of interest. So before I move on, I have to go, someone at my door right here. I got to go check this out. I'll be right back in about 10 seconds. Nice, that didn't take but long, and I'm Heinzing UVXY at the same time, right through $39. New high of the day on our UVXY in the MOJO Day Trade room. Very nice. So right here, guys, we have some very, very good information. Let me jump to the present. I see some information in there that I don't like. Right here, Allen. 57. go. It's loading. There we go. Oh, look, Ramey sent me some golf balls, some Pro V1X. Nice, Ramey. Thanks, partner. Beautiful job. Marb made $15.73. Carol made $350, but I can't stay for the show. Okay. Blair made $1,018. Trader Hart made $520. Jordy made $1,006. Joe made $380. That's some nice money in the room. That's some good money in the room. Pretty respectable. What time is that? 2:12 afternoon money? That's pretty good. I like those kind of things. Those kind of things are the kind of things that people need to see. This is MOJO chat room money. That's what MOJO chat room money is right there. So then we have some titleists coming to me. We have some more money right here. Here's some more MOJO money right here with these guys. That's more money. See, I tweeted that last one. Now this right here is like this. Restart this. What do I shut down that? This here's MOJO more money. This copy and go. Money. Done. That's number 2. Let's see what else we got. Oh, people are using. Are most people here? No one uses Short Trader. Recipe for disaster. Kidding me? They'll sell you out. Don't you know it's 6-to-1 leverage? You know that, right? But at 3:30, they reduce you to 2-to-1. And if you have a position, they sell you out and charge you $35. And they do that. That's their thing. They do that to 10,000 traders a day. Cord, you're one of them. So take the 10,000 and times it by $35. Everyone on your calculator. And in that fee alone, they make $350,000 a day. Just in that fee alone on you all. So keep on contributing to that. You know that happens to you every day, Pro Trader Cord. You don't have to hide. 20 trading days, they sell you out $35 fee, 15 times out of the 20. You know that. Because you can't get out of your position. You're not watching the clock. You already keep on trading. I know. I know. I don't even have to look at it. I know. Dude, I've been trading for 25 years. I've traded with every firm in the entire world. I've traded with everyone. I know how everyone operates. I align with the best deals. So what I did was I aligned MOJO Day Trading with one of the top firms in the world. Supplies 50-to-1 leverage to the MOJO traders, so you can trade all these stocks, a lot of shares of them, right here. There's everyone's doing this as a you can't know who the firm is. The only way you know who the firm is if you go through MOJO University. Then you could take your series and all your information and go through the steps. And it's a tuition rebate program from 0.005 to 0.0025 per share. You trade over 225,000 shares a day. You stay at 0.025. Direct access, multiple trading platforms. Trade the firm capital with 50-to-1. Low account minimum 5,000. Aggressive payout 95%. Remote trading worldwide. They have New York-based office. You want to go in there. Go trade on their trading floor. Absolutely. All what it's about. Jump to the present. We got a new message. I looked at one trade of mine the other day. At my old broker, it would have cost me $300 at IB Cobra, $25. That's the other one. That's for bigger traders. That's for like traders that are like $25, $50, $100,000. You go to Interactive Brokers Cobra, my other relationship, and they also give it back. Mike, the test is hard. What are you? I have no idea what you're talking about, Pierre. I'm doing the Mojo show, bro. I don't even know what you do. I didn't even see your other question here. I just got to delete that. So, how can I connect you? You got to send me an email. No problem there. Don't do. You might get banned from the room. We have like all day to talk about things in the Mojo room. But when I do the Mojo show, there's none of that. All day long. Otherwise, you might get in violation of rules of conduct of the room, because everything we do in the room is confidential. There's only certain things we reveal to the public. Everything else that we do is between us and confidential. So you don't say things during the show that would unravel confidentiality. Do you understand, Pierre? Cool. Real simple, man. That's how you keep the power in the house. How does AMRS look? It looks like a piece of crap. That's what it looks like. See that piece of toast? That's what it looks like. It's a small piece of crap penny stock. Thank you. Glenn, how much money did you make on UVXY today? HZNP's gone up 20 cents in 3 hours. Look at this. Oh, it actually fell down now. Yeah, look. It went all the way up this morning. Now, so long it took to creep back up. Look at the time, too, 2:15. Oh, you just came into the room? Well, you missed the entire day then. Look back and see what we did. Go watch my show this morning. You'll see exactly how we traded. The big money that we've made. Big money made in the room today, buddy. Big money. Mar, Allen, Gerardo made 2,347. No way, dude. Whoa, homie. Dang, Schnanger. Look at UV, $38. On UV at 31. Had these options right here on UV, these weekly calls right here that I did in my Stock Hoots account. Made 158% on that. Show you that right there. You want to see that right there, guys? Let's see that right there. Go on my Stock Hoot, because on Twitter it's blocked. You can't see it. So let's go to the closed positions. Closed position, I made $11,664 on UV. I made 200 on dry ships, 600 on UV, 2,400 on UV, 2,000 on UV. Right there. So let's scroll down to the options. Here's my option portfolio. Options on UV, I did 100 of the calls yesterday. I sold them at $5, bought them at $2. 135% gain, $31,000, $250 profit right there. Cost basis, $23,000, sold, profit. The other one I did right here, which was on August 10th. Last week it made its run, same thing. Jumped in when it was flying on these options, made $9,300. These options, $10,650. See that? $10,650. These options, $14,000. These options, $16,500. These options, $3,500. These options lost. These options, $3,100. These options, $4,800. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bets on UV right here, 1 loss, 3 wins since July 5th, 5,000, 8,000, back to 5, 8, 24, 42, 52, 62, $100,000 in profits. And the last one yesterday was one of the biggest. That's how it's done following my option picks on the stock hootin' in the Mojo room. And he says every pick that I've done started with 100,000, and I have right now 321,000 cash avail. I think it's got to update 296%. That's how I rock and roll. And everything I do is transparent, have to be on that site. It's all real time on the data when you buy and sell. Got that action going right there. So then we got new higher days going right here on UV, buying it right here. See the high 36.80, we're buying it, going through 37, sold 37.11, what a day. Then 37.24, that's me selling right there, flat, LABD 707. Then we got boom, 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 shakalaka, we did it again, 37.74, going through 38. We're going to Heinz it again. They call me like the Fonz from Happy Days. Hey, Fonz, 38.14, we Heinzed it again. Now we're going to go for 39. My cost, I'm up 7 points, closing out those options. 6, 6, 6. Then right here, see the signal at 38.10 for the new buy? Yeah, the new buy with 28,000 shares on the ask at 38.10. Kaboom, stock goes to 39 after that one. Like the Terminator, man. Coming in like a gangsta right there. 38.11, boom. Ching, ching, ching. Then we got more money made in the room. Blair, Geordie, Joe, Hart, and Blair. Blair and Blair, Blair. Gotta love that. Got me my golf balls. And there you go. High on UV, 39.13 on the UV, baby. Look at the daily chart. Gotta love that. That's how we do it in the Mojo room. That's how we do it in the Mojo room. Wasn't showing the room, getting my golf balls. Got it all. Didn't show that Fonzie thing. See that? Look, here's the 36.77. Says 37's approaching. We're playing it. TVIX is heading to 20. Sold it through 37 right there. Me on the ask at 37.24 right here. Boom. They're telling everybody what's going on. Then LABD's on the move too. We got both of them rocking. 37.74, 38 is approaching. We hit it through 38. Hey, Fonzie, boom, through 38. Mojo's the best. Selling here, up 7 points. And that's it. That's how we do it, man. $38 sickness. Went through 38.10. Never been through that. Booms through that. 38.10 goes to 39.13. We traded Alibaba before. It's on TV right now. Barbarino. $165 on Barbarino. $165 on the Barbarino. So, you want to see the day? I'm flat on everything. All right, let's see what we did. We did 95 tickets. Not bad. 7,860. So Baba made a big move and I traded it earlier. Right here. The stock made a move from right here, from 163 to 167. It went up 4 points. It was huge. It was huge. And then yesterday, in the, well, it went up here, not yesterday, but this morning when I was in UVXY, it went from 160 to 171. And then again here to 167. And that's where I stopped trading it. You're just done for the day. Made 7,860. UVXY 6630. The last couple of trades made me another 2,000 there. Bob 1,300. Lost 30 on ETRM and lost 40 on Mankind. I'd say we did 27 trades, 25 correct, 2 wrong. 27 out of 25 today. Here's the Mojo site right here. Has all those results on there. Oh, we almost like the other day, 27 out of 24 the other day. We did 27 out of 25 today. Let me show you. So if you go to mojodaytrading.com right here and you go to the day trade results, you'll see that right there. Come to my webinar Sunday. So come up right here to results. And then you can go to day trade results. Awesome testimonials. Day trade results. Right here we're at 27 out of 25, 18 out of 18, 27 out of 24. These are the results. We've done 353 trades, 323 correct for 92%. Alexa, fix that page. Remind me. Put it in my to-do. Looks like crap. Thank you. So that's what we did here for today. Dry ships was not a mover today for us like we wanted, but SPEX was a swing pick that we did again in the swing portfolio. This is the predominant pattern that's coming up is right here. And we have the stock made a move to 197. Someone's calling me from the United Kingdom. Let's see this. Hello? Yeah. Good. I'm on the other line and doing a little trading right now. You want to give me a call after the close? Awesome. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. See that? They're calling me from the United Kingdom. That's a firm. Yeah, I have Interactive Brokers. Sure. Why not? Why wouldn't you be able to use Interactive Brokers? You gotta unbelievable. You gotta stop. You guys gotta. You're gonna get a little look, a little. Let's see what we got. On that. Thought I had it on a different setting. Thought I had it on a different setting. Carl, why don't you save it for after the show, buddy? We have all day. Yeah, you know, I'm sure you've been here and you were here 10 minutes ago when I was talking. I see you typing now. Why don't you cool it, dude? Yeah, there we go, better. People just don't get it, right, Gerardo? They just don't get it, you know what I mean? They just don't get it. I have it at 3180. My target's over 50. I have it right here. I didn't sell one share. Oh, I did. A half's gone. Yep, half is gone. Here it is right here. See it? It was bought at 30.75. I'm up 9 points. SphereX I sold 165, 175, and 185. UV I sold last week from 32 to 42 and 32 to 40. Better believe it, man. If you ain't following my newsletter and in my picks, you guys will... Yeah, leaving. This has been the biggest month in the history of MOJO Day Trading as far as accuracy, profits, and what we do. You haven't been there? You haven't been there, man. No, it was 35.75. That made 5 points on that half position sold. It's quite remarkable. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see how far the next piece goes, because we're at 22 trades at a 20 correct for an average of 14.86 and an average hold of 18 days. So half of it's closed. And we still have LABD at 670. Not selling that. Been as high as 722 today. UV's been as high as 39.48. I have Long Island iced tea. We average down at 410. Average is 440. Been as high as 440 today. And it's LTEA. No other swing newsletter on this planet better pick this stock, or you copied me. Just like Roxy and Castle Brands. Give me a break. WPCS is a water stock. It's mine. I'm holding it a little more long-term with PCYO. And there's Roxy, Castle Brands. I own it 78 cents. Cheaper than anyone in the world out there. Bought it on January 13th and 9 months earlier than that. Dow's down 192. That's how it rock and roll right there. This is the MOJO Google Drive that all of the swing trade guy, and there's a couple of guys up there in the right behind this camera that get to watch that in real time. Really nice piece of work. Yeah, that's a good one, Gopi. If you're not in the room, you're losing by default. Yep, pretty good. It's good accuracy on that statement. Terminator, MOJO. I'm live, guys. Look on the tube, say hello to everyone. I was wild this morning. I was down like $2,000, man, at one time, live. Check it out from Peter. Peter came in the room and took my eye off the ball on UV for a second. I was down. I had a bump. I had 8,000 shares, man. I was like, holy caboolus. About $250,000 in that baby. Shakaboom. Yeah, I got a lot of people watching on that tube. Hey, tubers. Go say hello to Twitch. Facebook. Restreamio, baby. Restreaming it all at once. Nice. 342 on Twitch. Gotta like Twitch. Facebook, where am I? Mojo, more money, more money, more money. I'm live. Where am I live? Videos. Stock market Terminator. I am live. Live video. Let's see. I've never seen what I look like on YouTube. Here we go. Oh, cool. It's small. I've never seen what I look like on YouTube. Here we go. It's small, but YouTube's cool. Oh, cool. It's small. YouTube's cool. But it's so small. How come YouTube's so small? Weird. People are immune it for 25. Give stats at least. YouTube don't do that. Weird. Oh. See, it doesn't give stats. 10-second views, video views, most viewed, peak viewed. Dude, see? Average watch time. Dude, it doesn't do that on YouTube. No way, Jose. way, Vinny Barbarino. No way, Terminator. I'll be back. No, you won't. Stopping station, you think? Think it bounces? Right off stopper. Let's see. Heads back through and bounces off stopper. Here's stopper. See if it bounces off stopper now. Yay, bounces off stopper. Mojo made another profit. Yay, making profit. Go, baby. See? Again. Doing it again. Yeah, Glenn, absolutely. You're invited. I would never not want to invite you to watch my screen and be part of the show, Glenn. Just go watch on YouTube. And what you should do on YouTube, guys, is you should subscribe to my channel. You actually could do that right here. If you scroll your mouse right there, you see subscribe, and you just click subscribe. So every time I go live, you'll get an email and get notified when I'm live. So you will never miss me doing these trades and showing you my screen and what I do and how we do that. And just made some more money on UV, guys. I don't even know how much I made. Let me see what I was up before. 78, I made $1,000. I made exactly $1,000 on that last trade. Look at this. I went from 78.60 to 88.60. See? 88.60, 78.60. Nice. That was a nice 20-cent move. It's beautiful. Just like that. One move. Ching bang, buy it up, sell it off, boom. That's how it's done, baby. Went like this, like the clipper. Voom, 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 boom. And when I went, boom, I looked over and I'm like, damn, sell. And then I sold, and now look, I made $1,000. Just like that. $1,000 on the Mojo Show, just like that. Power move, it's power. Dow's down 190, 2,000, stopping station right here, see? Told you, big red bar, what I tell you the other day, watch my show, man. This is the first, this is Marabuzu, bitches. That's a Mara bitch. Not you, Mara, in the room. Don't even think that I'm starting with you again. Didn't call you a bitch. Didn't call her a bitch, guys. Hear that, Mara? You always joke with the women. The women love my sense of humor. Love my sense of humor. Big old risk bar on the downside. You want to see where the market's going? Let's show you. Let me show you. Better break out of Fibonacci, boys. You freaking better break out of Fibonacci. You better break out of Fibber. Screw the Fibonacci. Let me show you where the market's going. See this right here? 77 to 82 right here. This is stop number 1, which we're at right now. Watch. This right here is stop number 3 with a temporary here and a little nick up. Then we're going here before. Everything else in between is irrelevant. Does everyone understand 100% what I'm talking about? Only pro traders should get that. None of the traders. Traders, you get that 100% what I'm talking about? Way over their head. Ramey does. Ramey does. Blair does, because you took Mojo U. Blair, what number you up to? What course number? You take the test yet? What are you up to? Dexter's moving. It's 28. You still got Dexter, Amy? You still got Dexter? It's moving right now. Here goes UV 39 again. You got that Dexter, 12,000 shares. Nice. What's the news on it right here? Go ahead, go news, Dexter. Here's the news. August 17th, they declared a cardiac anastomotic device to be featured at their International Coronary Congress. Nice. There goes UV, right through 39. Mojo made 8,000 today. Anybody else? News? Yeah, I got that. Ooh, look at you beat me. Oh, I got you. No, I got you, Gerardo. See, I'm quick. Should have done the float. Still consulting? Not yet. All right, Blair, you'll get there. Peter? Nah. See, Peter don't know what it means. Peter brand new. Peter brand new. Nice. Look what I'm playing, guys. The Dash Trader Pro. I have the overlay. Screen opportunity share going. Oh, yeah, boy. Screen share with the room. Better believe it. Dude, all the other chat rooms. See these moderators in the chat room? Alan and Gerardo. All the other chat rooms that have those moderators get paid by the room. Either by front running or by a part of the subscription service for all the members. Did you know that? Not my moderators. Alan ain't getting a freaking penny. Gerardo ain't getting a penny. You better send me some golf balls. You guys ain't getting nothing. Be paying me with the VIP room. $4.99 a month for the VIP room, baby. That's private screen share. Mojo right here with the new feature. Switch it on. Woo! Go to Gerardo, start a video call, share my screen. Oh my gosh, yeah, boy. Woo! You better believe it, baby. Yeah, mama. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, boy. IMMR 759. V-band spiking. Oh, it's just an amazing thing to be a day trader on the Mojo team. Ramey's voice is gone. Luckily, Ramey, you're not talking. All you have to do is type in the chat. Isn't that incredible? Ramey, what you sell dry ships at the other day? What was the price of your sale? It won't go back there for 2 years. What was the price that I got you on? Nice. What'd I get you? Ramestones. Oh, I'm not even... Yo, Ramestones, I wasn't connected. Ramey, what'd I get you on the dry ships the other day? Lucky, you don't have to talk. You just chatting here. What did you sell dry ships at the other day, Ramestones? It won't go back there for 2 years. What'd you sell that thing at? It's $3.08 right now. 308. Ramey gone? Yep, Ramey's gone. Oh no, he's here. There he is. Ramey, what you sell that sucker for? Gerardo, what you sell yours for? Your high. Gopi, what you sell yours for? Who had the highest sell on dry ships? We hit for the 5, we Heinz 5. My cost was 507. My cost was 507. It's 307. But we sold it way higher. It went to 6. Look. It went to 6. Oh, it went to 423, but pre-market, it went to 6. Sometimes the things do that. It doesn't show. It doesn't show like what it does. But it went way, way, way higher, man. LABD, new high coming up on LABD stones. Stock market Terminator. Ooh, dude, what's this up top? Dashboard? What's that? New things on YouTube. Oh, that's my control room. Look at this. I've been live for 47. Oh, look at that. I have a control room. I didn't even know that, dude. On YouTube, I have a control room. Total views, average time, broadcast alert. I could do this. This broadcast has ended. Look at this. Analytics. Oh my gosh, I got the whole duration. The stream rates. I didn't know I had this. Peak time. Concurrent viewers. Dude, look at all this information I have. I didn't know I had all that. Look at that. Got my peeking, got my reeking, got the public view. Look at all this information I have. I didn't know I had all that. Look at that. Sweet. Action like that. Dang, yeah, it's got all kinds of stuff, brother. My health is good. Average time, duration, all kinds of good goodies. Little goodies. My live control room. The number of players connected to the stream at one time. 3 players, right? Playbacks. The total number of times the video has loaded, which includes page refreshers and camera angle style. It does not increase the switches of revolutions. And this is the computed by dividing the total time all users have spent watching the broadcast by the total number of playbacks. Nice. Oh, UV went over 39, dude. Went to 39.50, bro. Where you been, bro? You sold dry ships at 464? That was pretty nice, Ramey. Yep. IMMR is going higher. 763 now. Marchex, MCHX, see it? Marchex, V-band spike. No volume. I'm the only guy in the world that just picked up on that bar. Only guy. I do it all the time. I catch the ship when the captain enters the boat. Right there. We may have something happening. News Marchex, float Marchex, chart Marchex. Watch this. Let's see what happens. News. Edited transcript of earnings. Marchex reports a loss. Seattle-based company adjusted. Boom, Marchex. UV's up big. Big, Jeffrey. I like your Coca-Cola can. Should be a Heinz with Jeff on it. Marchex is pretty big. I don't think I've ever had it in this swing. It's not a symbol that hits my database. I'll check it out. MCHX. Never Marchex. Go UV, go UV, go UV. Yeah, boy. Go UV, go UV. You want to come in the Mojo Day Trade room? Let's go, baby. Look at all these traders. Mega Max, and Peter, and Pierre, and RC, and Royce, and Rupp, and Vic, and Vitaly, and Wayne, and Hart, and DZ, and Blair. And Blair, how come you in here twice, brother? And there's a problem. It's lucky I looked. See, I never really look. But Blair, how come you're in here twice, killer? You can't do that, brother. Come on now, you know better. What's going on with that there, Blasky? iPad and desktop? Really? What do you need them both for? Who's on your iPad? Who's on your desktop? There goes Uves. Woo, UV! Here we go. Bang zoom on the Uves. See if they take it to 50. Yep, think they will. Here we go. Power punch. Gonna pop up or down? I think we get to 10 cent up. Selling here. I bought 5,000. See? Right here at 31, 5,000 shares. Just made 600 bucks again. See? Sold. Haha. Look at that. Sold. Made again. More money. Now I made 9 grand. What'd I just make on that trade? What'd I have on the last one? I just made another quick trade. What I have on UV? 66.30. Yeah, Papacita. Since the last update and with you all, look at this. You never, so that's why you don't look at your golf score. You just keep on playing. Now I'm up to 8180 from, what was it from? 66.30 was my calculation. 30. $81.80. $15.50, baby. $15.50. Oh, DCTH we bought at 11 cents. Went to 18 already. Out of it. From 11 to 18. Where's it at now? It's 18. Nice job, guys. Nice job, guys. See how we do things in the Mojo room, everybody? Look at that, my stream, view on the watch page. Got a watch page. YouTube's doing some good stuff. Hey, you guys like my video, man. Who's ever's watching this, I see you all. Go ahead and like my video, please. Thank you. Put a little like ski on that bottom under that thing right there on the YouTube. Put a little like right there on that video. Down there on the bottom. Hey, I'll see you Sunday, man. For my Webby women, you want to make money, moms? Joey's mom, Stevie's mom, Charlie's mom, Justin's mom, Blair's mom, Gerardo's mom, all you moms, come on, man, all you moms. Come to my website, moms. It's right there. right on the MOJODayTrading.com. You see it up above on the video right there above, MOJODayTrading.com. I get you some free level 2 bonuses. I get you my special situation pick. You learn how to make 1 to 5% a day, how to find these best trades. I have customers in 55 countries. It doesn't matter where you're from. You get $198 in free gifts. I'm actually have 8 bonuses. This is 2. 8 bonuses worth over $2,600 for the webinar. All you got to do is sign up and register and check it out. Last webinar had 100% of the people that started at the end of it, had 100% of the people that were there, still there, fully engaged. Excellent. So I'm willing and love to see you there. Back to school special for the moms, baby. Rock and roll. Here's UV 3227. Dry ships took a dump. Because it is a dump. Look at the dry ships, dump. Took a long triangle down, boys, but it did. Because the market's orderly. You think it's going to go to the moon, it ain't. Things don't go through the top of your computer, folks. They just don't. It takes a long time, just like that, right there. Things just take a long time. Like the eclipse. You know that eclipse that's coming on Monday? You're not going to be, everything's going to go dark. You know? Here goes UV, new high. Right now, see it? I could do another trade now, but I'll pass. Too much risk in it. Could drop too quick. Good ace-jack fold. Folding ace-jack. Suited. Too many bettors in front of me at 40 on UV. But it's a good hand. It's a good hand. It's a good hand. See? I'd already be ahead. But I'd only be ahead above 50. Only had 2 cents. Ain't good. Too much risk. Gotta get out. Fold. That's it, boys. Ace. There it is. It's going to flush against you now, the whole thing. They saw your hand. You're done. Can't play that hand. Fold. Better fold now before the turn in the river. You don't want to throw in more chips. See, that's what we did this morning. Sold for that loss, then rebought that sucker back and played another hand for the win. As soon as you fold the good one, the poker gods reward you. As soon as you make a good fold in trading like we just did, the trading gods reward you. See that good fold, guys, right? Flushed right down, see? See how I'm talking? What I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking about. See, not trading, Jordy, and even making great folds like that is a sign of mastery. It gives you a better feeling making a fold like that in poker and saying, damn, dude, that was a good fold or a great call. Even though you may have lost, it's a sense of mastery, and I feel better on those than winning an average hand. Anyone could win on ace-ace or king-king, and yeah, this is Heinzing and going through, but recognizing signals around you and making a great decision is another thing. Do you know why, excuse me, do you know why most professional golfers don't win like Rory McIlroy or Tiger Woods or Jack Nicklaus? Do you know why? What the difference is between those two players? And it's not a lot. There's just one difference. Do you know what the difference is between the really elite and the average elite? You know, because everyone that's on the PGA is a superstar. But you have the group, Jason Day. What does he do? Like Michael Phelps also. Besides practicing more than everybody, they all practice. But what do they do that the others don't? That's the key. I know the answer. I know the answer. Who doesn't know the answer? It's a no. Nope, you're wrong. It's not between the ears at all. You're wrong. Why doesn't all the PGA guys shoot 68 every single time? They can. Why? Consistency, they record everything, logging the mistakes. Why? Why doesn't every single one of them win? They all have the capability, every one of them. They're all obsessed. That's how they got there. But what separates the Rory from, nope, incorrect. Nope, that's not it. That's a good guess. Keep on going. You won't believe the answer's so obvious. It's the same thing in poker. What gets the guy to the final table versus the other? Everyone there in the whole poker place is good poker players. What separates? Incorrect. Dow's down 204. They know when to fold. Kind of you're warm. You're warm, ring. It's a one-word answer, kind of. No, incorrect. 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 It's the opposite. You were warm, but now it's the opposite. They don't know how to lose, brother. They don't know how to win. They don't make mistakes. When you're in the rough and you're 210, they know not to pull out a wood and go for it over the water. That's a mistake. The other guy that whips out the wood and goes for it and hits it in the water just made the mistake, and they don't advance. Rory hits an iron out, lays up and knocks it 2 inches next to it, or Jim Furyk, and they make the birdie because they don't make mistakes. The elite trader, the difference between Alan and the other guy is Alan does not make mistakes, guys. Everyone knows how to press the button. Everyone knows how to do this and that. It's the mistakes that take you from this level to that level. In anything you do, learning how to fish. I went to the wrong spot. You wasted a whole day. You got to go back the next day and find the better spot, or redo the line a different way, or throw it on a different depth or a different angle. It's avoiding the mistakes. It has nothing to do with the wins. It's the total opposite. And that's how you get to the next level. That's how I did it in poker. I recorded that's how I do it in golf. I have a legend, a key system, and on the golf scorecard, if there's a triangle that's darkened in, that's a mistake. I shouldn't have more than 4 of them on any 18 holes, and if I do, I've got to work on that mistake so it never happens again. And that brings me to a whole new level, baby. Whole new level. Dude, I've been in sports and athletics my entire life, man. I'm the captain of every team, man. I'll pick you to be on my team my whole life. Who's the captain? Me. And if I'm not the captain, I'm saying something like, dude, you're the captain, and if you are, you know you're picking me first, bitch. Because you want to score and win. And with me on your team, you're winning. Football. I'm the quarterback. I was in college for 4 years. I stayed an extra year just to play intramurals for my fraternity so I could be the quarterback again. I loved intramurals. Oh my gosh. Then softball, 2 home runs a game, travel team. I was amazing. In baseball, all-star team every time. Every year, all-star. Every year. Growing up from 3 all the way up. Dude, I was a professional diver in Busch Gardens and SeaWorld and Cypress Gardens and the Tennessee State Fair and the Miami Seaquarium and China and China and all over the place, man. I'm telling you.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
Guys all heard it before, right? That's right, boys. Yeah. You guys like that not story, right? Wasn't the not story really good for Mojo University? The not story? You guys like the not story, right? The knots. And that's K-N-O-T-S, guys. That's the knots. K-N-O-T-S. Like the Bimini twist and things like that. Doing the Bimini twist. Whew. Look at the Dow, down 207. Who called that? Me. What a blessing when UV was 32. I was saying it yesterday and the day before. What a gift that is going to keep on re-giving, baby. Stock's going to 50. Better own some. It's going to 40 by the end of the day. Better own some. You want to do another trade? Let's buy some now blindly. Watch. Go ahead, buy 1,000 blind right now. Just buy it. Watch. It'll go up. You can't be wrong. Watch. We'll have to buy another 2,000. We'll do that. Here, buy right now. Fill. Done. Watch. I'll close my eyes. I'm going to count to 50. Ready? I'm going to close my eyes. Put my head down. We'll do it when the spinner stops. How about that? When the spinner stops, the real slow, I'll buy another 1,000, and then I'll spin it again, and then we'll sell it. Here's the first spin. This is the new trade play. It's called the spinner. So I bought number one right here at $39.20. Right here. See? I'm already up $20. This is a nice game. So right now I'm going to buy number two. Done. I bought 2,000. Now we'll spin it again. Look, I'm up 130 on the spinner trade play. Up 250 on the spinner trade play. New high on UV right here. Boom. Up 300 on the spinner. Selling it right now. Sold the spinner trade play. Yes, baby! Made 9,900 now I'm up to on that now. For the day, I got to make $100 more for even 10 grand. I got to make $100, guys. Guys, I got to make 100. Guys, I'm at 9,900. I got to make 100. I got to buy 2,000 shares for a nickel right now. I got to buy 2,000 for a clean nickel. From like 50 to 55, I got a clean nickel on it. Think I can do it? Got to be timed crazy. I got to wait. I got to wait. I got to wait. I got to make a clean nickel on 2,000. That was a nice spinner trade play, right? You guys like that spinner? It's a good one. Yeah, it's a good trade play. The Mojo spinner. That's a Mojo spinner, see? Mojo. I could have made it. I would have lost a nickel on that. I'm glad I didn't do it, right? I could short it for a nickel. That I know I can do. You want me to short it for a nickel? I can do that. Watch. I'm going to short it for a nickel. And I'm going to buy it back at 25. I shorted it at 30. Yeah, I got to buy it back at 25. I shorted it at 30. Come on, baby, drop. There we go. 28, 27. Look, I'm short 2,000 at 30. I got to make $100. Come on, baby. If it don't do it, then I got to make $200 the other way. Come on, baby, drop. There we go. Filled. 10. Oh, it sucked me $40, man. You sucker. Oh, it didn't give it to me. Who wants my money back? Who wants 40 bucks? That sucker. Damn you. Look at that. Knocked me off. I wanted 10,000 exactly. Who wants $40, man? Dang nabbit. Oh, dude, I want to give away $40. Now, how do I lose 40? I got to lose 40. I'm losing 40. So on 1,000 shares, I got to lose 4 cents. I just buy it right now. Look, buy. Lose 40 bucks. Right here, I'll just buy it right here. That's 10. That's 20. Come on, baby. Oh, down 120? Dude, I only want to lose 40. Damn you. Look what I just did. Messed it up. Messed it up trying to buy it. Son, now I'm down 380. Son of a bitch. Mother effer. Look at that. Down 340. I just messed that up. What you gonna do? Down 200. How much do I want to lose? 40 bucks. 40. Go. 180. 180. 200. I'm selling it. Done. I have 90. I got to make 60 bucks. So on 1,000 shares, I got to make 6 cents. Down 70. Gotta make 60 bucks. 30. Oh, I made 90. God damn it. 70. 100. No. I'll sell 500. I gotta make 98. $15. I gotta make 82. I gotta make 99.37. I got 99.54. 54. That's 67. I need 54. There we go. Now I'm at 9. I need $13. Oh, I should have held it right there. So I need 1,000 shares for. I'm going to do 100 shares for $13. I need $13. There's 1. There's 2. Buy another 100. Well, I'm down 5. There's 7. Sold it. Oh no, it didn't get sold. There we go. 90. I need 30. 99.62. I need $38. 38 bucks. There's 10, 14, 22. I'm at 99.84. I need $16. 16 bucks. Come on, baby. There's 7. Down 6, 5, 4. I need 6. Come on now. And I'm at 99.84. I got to get this is like a game now. Costs nothing to do this either. I need to make 16. I'm down 14. I can't buy more shares. I won't be able to control it like before. I don't want to go lower. Down 26. I can do 100 more. Need to make 16. It's going to leave me at 15, $1 short. It's not going to work. I'm short 500 now. All right, I'm at 69. Need to make 30 bucks. Actually, $31. I don't know if I have to get close with 200 and then do it with 100 and get the last dollar. I need to make about 30 bucks. Down 17. Down 12. Need to buy it back like at 48. That'll give me close. 48 dump right here. It'll cover me. Dump it. Come on now, one time. Flush it down. It might go higher. Nah, it went higher. Down 117. Short 1,000. Need to make 30 bucks. 30 bucks! Oh, I did. I made it. Went over by 27. Son of a bitch. I'm done. I can lose $27. I can lose 27 bucks. Just buying UV, let it drift down. If I make more money, I make more. Tried, guys. Tried. I'm at 10,027. I tried. Try to get an even number on there. I just can't, man. See, still making more money. Won't give it to me. Make another $15. See, $19, $10. Sell it again. Make more profit. See if I can lose. No, I'm not losing no more money. I'm done. All right, tried, guys. Oh well, darn. It's a fun little game. Back and that's what you're good pressing the buttons and practicing pressing buttons and stuff. You know that? Like the Terminator. Like fiddling around in the junk. Look, the Dow's down 230 right at stopping station. What do you figure on that, huh? Look at the Dow Jones right at stopping station. What did I tell you it was going? Huh? Told you it was going there. UV's going to 40 right now. Yep. 39.80 headed to 40. Sick. What is today? Thursday? Tomorrow's Friday, so we're going to have a really enjoyable day tomorrow. You know, some of the other day trade rooms or day traders that are out there that may be struggling, or if you're struggling at a 9 to 5 and you've got some time off, you should think about tomorrow really ditching the workforce and doing a transition and seeing if a proof of concept for 90 days works for you and you can day trade for a living. Come to my webinar on Sunday, see what it's all about, and I'll show you exactly how you too could make just like this in a half hour, fiddling around $1,000, $2,000. And if you don't have the buying power and the money for that, the firm that has partnered with MOJO Day Trading, because our traders are incredible, all the firms want them. This firm is an incredible firm. You're enabled with 50-to-1 buying power. The minimum is $5,000 to open an account. So if you open an account with $10,000, which is preferred, you'll get $500,000 in buying power. You want to trade 10,000 shares of UV right here for $390,000? Go right ahead. Go right ahead. You want to trade FGIN right here, 4170, V-band spiking into 42 and trade 2,000 shares while you're trading UV? Go right ahead. Come see me on Sunday at 8 p.m. and I'll show you exactly. It'll take an hour, hour and 15, hour and 30 if we're having a blast. And I'll show you exactly how all the traders are making that kind of money right now. All you have to do is come to the webinar. And if you're pissed about the stock market that you missed this opportunity, well, don't be. Smash your damn computer, set it on fire, and come to my webinar. Check it out. Beautiful. See, let me show you this little testimonial from Kaz, the best course you can take to the point and definite results. I feel so lucky to have signed up for the course with my confident Mike knows his stuff, and you and Rue, and oh my gosh, 185% gainer on FXCM. Job, Mike, and making bank on FXCM. Everyone's doing good on FXCM, man. Can't help you enough for minimizing my losses and helping me out. And VLTC and Mike, oh my gosh, quick note from Van, professional trader, Mike from 2015. Oh my gosh, everything's rocking and rolling in the Mojo room. Mojo did it again. Hart made another one. Fitty. Hart, how long you been here? Tell everybody how long you been here. 4 days. Have you seen any losing trades that were anything of any concern that you would even shake an eyebrow at? What have the wins been like? Why don't you tell everybody, because you just joined. You're not in Mojo University, but you're in the demo. That's what you joined. And that's all. Let's see Demo 20 today. Demo 20. Did the following. Bought UV. Do a little helping of Demo 20. So Demo 20 lost $1,000 and got auto stopped out for the day and had to quit. So let's see what they did. At 9:30 a.m., they bought UV at 32.45 when we were selling when the market opened. But then we bought. It's fine. They bought more at 32.71. I do believe we were selling at that point. Then they bought at 64, 63, 61, 58, 55, 42, 39, 41, and 16, and sold it all for a terrible loss at 31.84. Off track. Off track. These were the sells. This is the rebuy back, 31.84. So that got you right off track, and that one trade messed you up for the entire day. Let's see what happened to this trader. Demo number 13. A lot more active. He says something. I could have made 8,000 and bought 4,000 TVX. You don't buy 8,000. No, you couldn't have. If you're only allowed 2,000 shares, what demo are you? Hold on, let me see. You're only allowed 2,000 shares. How can you buy 8,000? You bought 4. Let me see. You shouldn't be allowed to buy 4. Let me take a look. You are number 17. No, you're not. What number are you? You're not 7. I have you down as number 17. 13 right here, bought 25 and 32. You can't get the platform running it, so then it's not, you're not really trading then, so that's all irrelevant. Does you no good. So this guy bought right here. Let's see what they did. 300 at 25 and 300 at 30 and 100 at 20 and 200 and right here, sold it back. Great job. Great job. And then you rebought at 18, sold at 31. So right here you're trading fabulously. Then you bought at 32.06 and 32.08 and bought at 32.20 and 32.23 and 13 and 01 and the 62 and sold it for a loss. I don't know why. And then you went back in 4 points higher within an hour. You came back. Should have held that, man. You would have made some money. Then you went, sold it over, and you rebought it back at 19 and sold at 29. Rebought it back at 45, sold 58. Great trades right there. Then you bought at 47. Bought at 12, bought at 6, sold at 22. Good job. Then you have buy at 40, 70, and got crushed. And then this is a mankind. So yeah, that was some mistaken today. It's way over that, dude. It's 40-20 now, 40-24. I'm watching it on my other screen right now, 40.31. UV, new high. Lots of mistakes have been making by you guys. Mojo Trader 1 in CHK, down $80. Should be utterly ashamed of yourself that you don't have 100 shares of UVXY and you're just holding it. There's no explanation really for it. There is none. New high 40.73. Going right into the close, very strong. How much you up now, Gerardo? Oh, yeah, it's going to 50 tomorrow. Dow's down 237. It's just the beginning. It's orderly. The market can't sell that fast and not allowed to. Just made another 400 bucks. Made 400 more right there. I'm at 10,437. Made some more money. Nice job, Gerardo. You moving to your new place yet, Gerardo? Nice, Jordy made a one. That's beautiful. Good percentage, brother. You move into your new place, Gerardo? Yeah, nice. You get a new car yet? What kind of car are you getting? Yeah, it's 41 Heinz. Heinz 41 easy. Boom, 41. Sick, dude. Just Heinz 41. Amazing, huh? Yo, what kind of car are you getting? Mom pay off her house? Nice. Good job. It's the way to be, buddy. Great job, guys. That's how you work it, man. Nice playing. All right. So, great job, Gerardo. Awesome job, everybody else. Thank you so much, everybody, for helping everybody trade well and do well. That's what we do. So, Pro Trader Mike signing off. We'll do the same thing tomorrow. I'll see everybody then. Thank you. Keep it profitable and have a great night.